welcome back to Story Time to Go with me, Miss Janelle, and Otis. I tell you, that Otis is always sleeping, and we are trying to do our Story Time to Go with the DeSoto Public Library, and I've got some great books and a great craft, but there's only one problem. I'm a little bit on the cold side today. So we are going to read books and make a craft about staying warm. But who do you think we should wake up for this story time? Otis. Do you remember the one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis? You have to count and say 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis. Are you ready? Think you can do it? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis! Oh, yeah. I'm awake. Oh, yeah. I'm ready. Whoa. Otis. Yeah. What is it? What are you wearing? Oh, yeah. I was really cold, and so I got all bundled up and warm. No. What do you think? Do you like all of my beautiful scarves? Oh, those are very nice. You have so many. Yeah. And so I can be warm. Oh, what? I'm glad you're warm. You know, I was getting a little cold myself. Oh, that's okay. Because you know what? I brought you some hats, Miss Janelle. You brought me some hats? Yeah. Oh, yeah? And what am I going to do with them? Well, you're going to wear them. Oh, I am. So you can be nice and warm. Oh, that's a good idea. Where are these hats? Oh, yeah. They're right here. Oh, I brought you so many of the hats, and I think you should try them all on. I should? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. You're going to tell me which one I should wear. Yeah. What do you think? Should I listen to Otis as he tells me which hat I should wear? Yeah? All right. Okay, let's see, Otis. What do you think of this hat? No, I don't like it. Oh. This one? No, you look like a dog. Uh-oh, I better not wear this one. What about this one? No, that one looks terrible. Ooh, this one's nice and warm. No, boring, no color. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, yeah, this one makes me want to eat you. Oh, no, not that one. No. This one, yeah. No, I don't like it. Okay. Ooh, this one's nice and pretty. Look at this one. Ooh, that one looks like an ice cream cone. Uh-oh, an ice cream cone. Okay, maybe not this one then. What about this one? Oh, yeah, that's the one you need to wear, Miss Janelle. Right, okay, so I'm gonna wear this hat, and you've got your scarves, and then we are gonna make our craft. Yeah, that sounds really good. What are we gonna make? Today, for Story Time to Go, we are going to make our own hats with matching mittens. Okay, so that means you gotta stay awake. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess I will put all these hats over here. Oh, and this one, and this one. Okay. Are you ready? You gonna stay awake? Yeah, I always stay awake. Does Otis ever stay awake? Yeah, all the time. Okay, ready, and... Oh, man! I should have known Otis was gonna be too comfortable and warm and not want to stay awake. Well, he'll just have to miss out on the craft for today. When you come by the library, don't forget to pick up your Story Time to Go kit. And in your kit for this week, you are going to get a colorful piece of paper, a paper plate, some ribbon, fluffy white stuff, 2 mittens, stickers, a glue stick, and some sequins and pom-poms. what you might need at home, some crayons and scissors. So let's get started on making our hats and mittens to keep us warm in these cold winter months. Otis is taking up all my space. I think I'm just gonna have to move him over. Oh well, Otis fell.
Oh no!
Our first thing we're going to do is we are going to take our paper plate and cut a line across the bottom. The shape of a hat. Take the shape of your hat and draw it on your paper, like this. Then you cut it out. And this is going to be our color of our hat. But it still looks a little bit boring. I think I'm going to color it. So let's color it before we glue it on. What do you think? Does it look like my hat? Oh, thank you. All right. So once you've got your beautiful drawings on there, you are going to take your glue stick and glue it on. Ta-da! I need some mittens. So in your pack, you have 2 mittens. So now I'm going to color and cut out the mittens to match my hat. Here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your string, cut it into 2, and then you're going to use your glue stick and glue your string onto your mittens. I think we need to add a little bit of fuzz to our hat to make it look even more fabulous. In your kit, you are going to get some glitter and pom-poms. So this is where we're going to make our hat look even better. I'm going to add some glitter and stickers. You may need to use your glue dots to get the pom-poms to stick. How does that look? Yeah. And the last thing we're going to do is attach our mittens to our hats. That way we won't lose them. There we go. What do you think? Does that look like a great hat that will keep you warm in the winter? Yeah? All right. Do you think we should show Otis our beautiful hat that we made? What do you think? Yeah? Uh-oh. It might mean I'll have to get him up off the floor.
Oh,
no. All right. Well, there's only one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis. You ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! What happened? What happened? Why was I on the floor? Well, Otis, you fell asleep. I think you got a little too comfortable with all those hats and scarves and warm that you fell on the floor. What? Yeah. Well, okay. Well, at least I'm awake now so we can do our craft. You fell on the floor while we were doing the craft? What? You mean to say you made the craft without me? Well, we did while you were sleeping. No, I won't have a nice warm hat. Otis. Yeah. I tell you what. Yeah. I'll let you wear one of my hats. Oh, that sounds really good. Ooh, what about this one? Can I wear this hat? Yes, Otis. Oh, yes. Oh, I like it. How does it look? Does it look beautiful on me? Yeah, it looks great. Oh, I knew I looked really good with this hat on. All right, okay. Now I'm done. Oh, Otis, we just made that hat for you. Oh, yeah, I'll get it later. All right. Well, Otis, I think it's time for us to say goodbye to our friends at home. Oh, yeah. So that way I can go back to sleep because I was all nice and warm. Okay, Otis, we'll let you go back to sleep. First, though, you have to say goodbye to our friends. All right. Goodbye, friends. Mwah!